Loading process demonstration. Because the shipment is overloaded, firstly, one had better dismantle the crossbeam. Side piling mechanism by its own crane to ensure safe transportation. Secondly, raise the main body to enough height for driving the trainer. Then slowly back a special truck into the bottom of its main body. Thirdly, gradually adjust loading position until the transport vehicle is fixed properly. Then slowly fold the supporting neck to make the main body put onto the trainer. Then tighten the cylinder of supporting neck. Tighten long bolt to make them close to main body to ensure the safe transportation range. That is the whole process for loading machine. Piling process demonstration. Firstly, unload the machine according to the process of loading as above. When the machine arrives at the job site, tear down parts assembled. Secondly, place the counterweight according to the tonnage request of the job site. When one has a high request for the tonnage, he can place a counterweight on the counterweight beam under crane.